inserting a chart and chart data. If you already have a slide inserted with a layout that allows you to add a chart, you can do so by going to the placeholder and clicking on the little chart icon. This will allow you to insert a chart. If you're working from a slide that has no placeholders, you can insert a chart by going into the Insert tab and choosing Chart from here. Clicking on either of these will bring up the Insert Chart dialog box. The first thing you need to do is select the kind of chart that you would like to insert. So as I go down through these different categories here, you'll see the different charts appearing in a preview. Notice that in 2016 we have a range of new types of charts. We have tree map, sunburst, histogram, box and whisker, and waterfall. Let's start with some of the more basic charts, for example the column chart. When I select the category called column, across the top here there's some sub-levels that we can go in and choose from. I'm going to pick the first type of chart, which is a clustered column, and press the OK button. This inserts the chart onto my slide, and it also shows the data that the chart is being created from. And this opens up in what looks like an Excel sheet. This is the chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. Here we can see the 3 series that it has added, and also we see the 4 categories. And the data in the middle is all the generic data that comes with every single chart that you insert. On the chart itself then, we can see the chart title, we can see the 4 categories across the x-axis, and also we see the 3 series inside of the legend. In order to change the data that we see, we need to click into the chart in Microsoft PowerPoint datasheet, and we need to make the changes. So let's say, for example, instead of series 1 to 3, we type in regions. So for example, we might have north, then south, then east. And if we look down at the bottom at our chart, we now see that they have been entered into the legend. We also want a 4th option in here, so clicking inside of E1 we're going to type in the 4th region, so we're going to type in the word west and hit return. Notice that automatically this has now been included into the chart. Next we're going to change the categories. So down the left hand side, for example, we want to chart our products. So for example we might have product 1. And underneath that we might have product 2, and continuing down through the different products. Again, if we have a 5th product, I can drag this down here just so that I have a bit more space, and I can continue typing product 5, and as I move along you'll see that automatically now this has also been included into the chart. Then all we need to do is enter in the numbers that relate to our particular data. Once this is done, you'll see the information changing in the chart below. When you're finished with this, you can simply click away beyond the chart on your slide and close down the data sheet. So now I can see the chart with all of its data,